Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mike Arada, and I'm human. And I would like to introduce you Industry 5.0 Ambassadors Network. One of the reasons why to do so because I'm the founder of Industry 5.0. But before we start, let me tell you something about the Industry 5.0 itself. Industry 5.0 is the first industrial evolution ever led by man. It is based on principles of systematic waste prevention called industrial upcycling, and these principles are applicable to industries. Industry 5.0 was launched on December 1st, 2015, and it recognized four types of waste: physical, social, urban, and process waste. In April 2020, was the Industry 5.0 named Post-Pandemic Recovery Tool. In October 14th, 2020, was assigned the first ambassador in India, just 2 months after delivering the keynote speech on one of the largest online conferences in India. Every ambassador who will be assigned will be responsible for one country, and every single one must be in line with following principles and must respect them. We call them ambassadors decathlon. The first one is that everyone has to be honest, open, and respect all without prejudice. He and she should respect the LED principles: transparency, profit sharing, and efficiency in every single project. He should deliver, or she should deliver, the results first, reports later, and protect Industry 5.0 name from being misused and misinterpreted, which is common in many industries. It is important that every single ambassador understand that human is first, profit came later, and sustainable economy and ecology is the target, because he should be the first who change. He or she should be the role model for all. Sharing, education, support, changing the mindset of people and businesses from wasteful to wasteless, and the consistency and curiosity. We ambassadors stop where the others ended their journey. We reduce our waste footprint by reduction of our consume. And we are the first one who are on the construction site of the wasteless world. And if you ask who can accept these are the first 10 names and the first 10 countries: India, Ghana, Belarus, Finland, Vietnam, Indonesia, Poland, USA, Turkey, and Belgium. All of these countries has established Industry 5.0 gates in the persons who took the role. And how the network was growing from the very beginning. It's growing rather fast comparing to the standards. What you see here was just 2 months time. And in these 2 months, we have been able to have 23 ambassadors assigned. And it is important that we deliver the results which you can touch and see. Among others, it was the prevention more than 1 million metric tons of products to become waste. It was more than 75 realized projects and more than 3,000 articles has been published in 2 languages. Thanks to the ambassadors, Industry 5.0 library was open. And the network cover up to date more than 3.16 billion people. Industry 5.0 related technologies are helping already in many countries, and development and education supported in the Garage Academy are entering the education systems. Industry 5.0 in fact starts to represent the biggest and strongest social network in the world. Do you see this boy? He was 8 when this image, black and white image, was taken. And 42 years later, thanks to artificial intelligence, the image starts to move. And it is the boy who decided to show what humans can do and achieve, not only the technology. Industry 5.0 ambassadors are humans. Each represent different nation, different skills and abilities. Each is important part of the whole image. Water, air, soil, fire, eyes, and the human. These are the main principles of life. Ambassador is the gate to wisdom for all to enter. We are living in the age of digitalization of our work. We are living in the year of digitalization of our education, and for a long time we are living in the times of digitalization our leisure. So it looks like that the only things which needs to be digitalized is the man himself, but if we do so, our world will look like this, because data don't need any light. I have recognized this danger 8 years ago, and I decided to build another world, wasteless world, and my world and my home look like this. And it is everyone's decision in which world he, she, or the next generation will live. This is my home. What is yours? Have a nice day free of waste and wasting in all its forms. And stay safe, and I hope I see you soon on the construction site of Wasteless World.